What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be upgrading these headlights. As you can see, they're all faded and just I've tried my best to clean them up and try to repolish them, but it's just not taking. So I'm going to change these out on both sides and I think it's going to look great. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and let's get started. First thing we got to do is we're going to have to take out these 10mm bolts. 1, 2, and then in the back there's going to be an access hole where inside there's going to be another nut. So we're going to take those out and that thing should just pop right out. Same thing on this other side. 1, 2, and there's a little access hole back here. 3. Now the process is the same for both sides, so I'm just going to show you the one side. 2 in the front. So you got this access hole right here, and if you look in there you can see one more nut, so we're going to take that out. There we go. It's got a little ball in the back. Yeah, that's why it's a little bit of a fight. Now that I got it out, I can take off the headlight and the blinker. It's got a parking light here. This one, it's not in the new one. I'm just gonna leave it out. You don't really need it. Counterclockwise out. Pop it out. There you go. Now you can see how nasty it was in there. I guess I tried to polish it, but just no good. And hopefully I'll be able to, here's a new one. Hopefully I'll be able to see better at night. The low beams are alright, but the high beams, the blinker, headlight, pop that in. I'm good. Line it up. There we go. One little trick you could do is, you see how I put this nut in there? Because it's going to be kind of hard to put that nut in the back of that. I can't get my fingers in there. So it just falls right out, right? So when you're putting it in, that's the last thing you want to fall out. You're going to be all upset, right? So what I do, take a little piece of towel and just put it in there, force it in there, tear off the access. Look at that. It's not going to come out. So then I can easily just put it on there, tighten it up, and then I'm done. And there's no risk of me actually dropping the nut and losing it and all that other stuff. So watch me put this on real quick. You see that hole in the side there? There we go. There we go. Start it by hand. Wrong way. Done. That little piece of cloth stays on there, or you can take it off. It's up to you. Doesn't hurt nothing. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And as you can see, I got both of them in right now, and it looks a lot better. A huge upgrade, and I'm really hoping at night it's gonna help me see a lot better. So. Like again, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.